give you some tips on how I make money as a entrepreneur, small business owner. Also, I'm in grad school. I do a lot, so make sure you subscribe to my channel. I vlog everything and I don't niche down. So this past weekend I did 2 events. One was a large event, and the second one that I did the following day, it wasn't as good, and a lot of people were complaining. A lot of the vendors were complaining, so I decided to, let me raise the camera too. So a lot of people was complaining about it. I was talking to one of the other vendors. She was an older lady, whatever. I was giving her some tips, and I was telling a couple people that were complaining and saying they weren't making any money, and I was giving some tips. One person did not want to listen to me. She like, whatever, blah blah. She still wants to be angry, and the other person was taking notes from me. So I feel like I should do a video in depth on basically what I told her. I want to do a video in depth about how to make money, especially when you're doing pop-ups. I don't know if you're watching this and you're not in California, because I know only in California, well, not only, but it's more popular out here in California doing marketplaces, pop-up shops. So it's basically like an outside mall, I guess I can, wait, a flea market. Okay, a flea market, a modern day flea market. And it's the past couple of events that I've been doing, we've been taking over, y'all. Like, we are making it out here. And I'm just like, when I was younger, when I used to go to flea markets, I never saw someone who looked like me in charge rent, like that was their event. And a little side note, me and my mom created our own marketplace as well. So if you're out here, you know what, I'm doing a lot of plugs, but the links in all our previous vlogs will be below. I've been giving you a lot of background on what I do, but I'm gonna tell you guys everything on what I do. It's not that much time, but let me go straight into the first tip, which is online. Online is gonna be your best friend. Online, social media, all social media platforms, that is gonna be your best friend, especially now that TikTok has did a TikTok shop, and also Instagram have an Instagram shop too. I'm gonna jump into that in a minute, but let me talk about online. So if you're selling any type of product, I suggest to get a domain. Now, the only thing with a domain is you have to pay, well, I pay annually $200. I feel like that's good for my budget. I feel like it's perfect. It doesn't have it's Wix, that's the site I go through. They don't have a lot of features as in Shopify. Shopify is the most popular one, but they cost a little bit more. And I feel like Wix, I feel like it's fine. I don't have any problems with it so far. So if you guys want a website, set it up there. You can have a payment and all that. I also have a video already giving you tips on how to work Wix. It's simple. Go check it out. I'll probably link, yeah, I will. I will link it below for you guys to check that out. So now we get your website out of the way. I suggest that you promote sell on every platform. Even Facebook has a marketplace as well too. So whatever you're selling, of a product, a service, you're gonna want to promote yourself damn near every day on one of those social media platforms. My favorite is TikTok and Instagram. Actually, I sell on each one, even Pinterest. I sell on all of them. And keep that in mind, because if you're doing pop-ups, that selling on all of those platforms is going to come in handy when I hit the pop-up section, when I take the marketplace, flea market. I don't know, I need a particular day, but those are the, I'm gonna say flea market or marketplace. Okay, anyway, so we got that down, which is selling online. The second tip is doing pop-ups. So you find the event, majority of our events we find are on Instagram and Facebook. We are in groups already, and also out here it's like, it's small. It's a small group of people that do pop-ups that have events. So basically we all technically know each other as well. So some of these pop-ups that we do are not big. Some are very small. Some you want to make a dime. So this video is specifically for that. When you're doing a pop-up and there's not a lot of people, I still want to teach you guys how to make sales, and which is the first tip in selling online. Go on live as well while you do this. And basically this is what I told someone, and like I said, they weren't listening to me. They were still upset because they weren't making any sales. But this is a way for you to make sales, and it is to utilize your social media platform. Also on TikTok, if you go on live for over an hour, I don't know what's going on, but they boost your view, they boost your video. So that is your opportunity to make some sales. If you're following me on TikTok, you will see I'm always on live, and that's how I make sales too. It could be 1 or 2 sales, but that is better than nothing. So technically that whole day is not wasted. I have content coming. So that is it on my tips on how to make money. I know it was short. I get straight to the point. Every time I do tutorials, go straight to the point, and I feel like my tips are very helpful, even though it does seem like it's not a lot. But this selling on social media, you're gonna make some sales. 1 or 2 sales. It may not seem like a lot to you, but to me, like for a small business owner and who is working hard, when I get even if I get one sale, I'm so grateful, y'all. So that's what my suggestion is to anyone who's small business owners who are not making sales and your family is tired of supporting you, because that will happen. Your family will get tired of supporting you, and that's when you need to reach out to other people. You get rich by other people. Your family is not gonna help you get rich. And this is a little side note. When you're coming up, some of your family will distance themselves. When they feel like you're coming up too high, you're making too much money, they're not gonna support you as much. I know it's sad to say, but I have experienced it. Like I didn't lose, but it's a distance between some of my family members, especially my cousins, who I feel that they probably didn't think I was gonna be successful. And with my business in my marketplace, outside looking in, it probably looks good, but it's not nowhere where I want it to be. And like you guys see, I'm in school right now. I'm in grad school. I'm so, you know what, I'm ranting, but anyway. I'm ranting, but I just want to explain to you guys how to make money. I don't even know what the name is, but like how to make money, how to make sales. I don't know, I'm gonna figure it out. But I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions, please leave a comment. I love reading people's comments. And subscribe. If you made it this far, subscribe to my channel. My channel is all about entrepreneur life, vlogs, beauty, and lifestyle. Like, I don't niche down. I vlog everything about my life. I'm too open, especially when I'm on live. I'll see you guys in my next video. I have a few more, you know what, I have so many vlogs I need to edit, and I'm going on vacation tomorrow. I'm going on vacation, so you guys know I'm vlogging everything.